How does someone with an 8th grade education and zero financial background achieve total economic freedom? No luck, no complex algorithms, just mastering the stock market using these 4 practical rules. First, fix your finances. Before buying a single stock, you must eliminate high-interest credit card debt, build an emergency fund. Investing requires a stable foundation, treating the market like a calculated business, not a casino. Next, the staircase rule. Treat stock price charts like physical steps. Hold the asset as long as it keeps forming higher steps, but the moment it stops climbing, you sell. This simple trigger removes emotion and protects your profits. Third, market panics are discount events. During the COVID-19 crash, while the herd panicked and sold, smart investors stepped in. Mass fear is just the best time to buy solid tech companies at massively lower prices. Finally, swing trading beats day trading. Instead of being chained to a computer screen all day with high stress, swing trading uses automated orders over longer timeframes, so you can build wealth while living your life. Mastering the stock market isn't about advanced math. It's about the discipline to overcome human fear and greed, making financial freedom accessible to absolutely anyone.
Discover the investing books by award-winning author Rene Pineda. Search Rene Pineda on Amazon and start building your financial future today.